Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt here. You chose poorly, right? Anyways, this is Papa Blue Shirt and going on a ride today. 70 degrees out and Mama still got her stuff on. I said I wasn't going to tease you no more, but it's hard not to.
No, because you lie.
No, because you tease me.
Lie. You lie.
You tease me all the time in the house, so this is just payback.
Yeah, right. I never said I would quit teasing you. I said you're fun to tease. Uh-huh. Okay, I don't mind you teasing me. I don't care.
About your insulators.
Yeah.
3 pairs of pants, 3 coats, insect net.
Yeah, why you got this on if it's so cold, right? No, it's not. It's like 70 something and the bugs are out. That's why I got the net on. I hate bugs.
We're not talking about bugs, we're talking about...
You know, when I'm on the bike, it's cold.
Okay.
I was cold walking down here.
And that's why husbands and wives always fight, because the guy's always hot and the woman's always cold.
Oh, yeah. Well, we don't fight about it.
No. Alrighty. My miles is 77. Add 6,700 on there. Close my garage here. 6,700 because it turned over on me. When I get to 300, I'm going to reset it, and then it'll be at 7,000. It'll be easier for me to keep track of. And then at 10,000, I can start over again like it should have been. Want to know the explanation for that? Just click this video right here, and you'll see why. Alrighty, let's get going. Yeah, I made the turn here. Oh yeah. Really windy out here today. It's warm, but the wind's really blowing. Yeah, going the other way. Well, maybe the wind would be different going this way. There's a pretty big crosswind though. But we'll see how it goes. 5.3 miles so far. 5.3 miles. Well, come almost 7 miles. I think I've passed 2 cars. And that's 7 miles. Actually, a car and a UPS driver. I wonder if my dogs will be out here today. There he is. No, he's not gonna chase me today. Oh, there's one hole on this route that always gets me. It's not a very big hole, but I must drive in the same spot every time. And it gets me. Yeah. Either the wind has changed directions or I just picked the wrong way to go today. Because it sure is windy. Sure is windy. I found the girls. Well, the wind was strong. Well, that's what I ended up with. 15.4 miles. 92 total. So, Ma, what do you think of that ride?
Yeah, I loved it.
Was it hot?
No, it was great.
Alrighty, there's our ride today. Had a good time. It was a little windy, but yeah, 15.2 miles. 15.2 miles. And she's gonna walk up without me today because I guess I have body odor or something. I don't know what it is, but she didn't want to walk with me. Oh, okay. She's waiting for me now. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Papa Blue Shirt, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. May
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May he spread his blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May he be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing him most. May the good Lord take a liking.